Effective client management is the difference between a good business and a great business. From customer service to business development, nothing is as important as an accurate and easy-to-use client system. Accessing client information is a touch away in almost every area of Shortcuts, and adding a new client calling in for their first appointment is built for both speed as well as accuracy. When a new client calls in for their first appointment, first select the day and employee they would like to book for in the appointment book. To add a new client to the system, the receptionist selects New. When taking a new client appointment over the phone, capturing the minimum details is essential. Important fields like name, phone number, and how they heard about you can easily be set to mandatory, so you can ensure the basics are covered for confirmations and marketing purposes. As this is a new client, we'll choose the New Appointment tag. Once the appointment is made, it will be labelled New, which tells the front desk that the client should fill out a client information card before their first appointment. This can be done using a standard printout or using the digital client information card, using a mobile phone, iPad or tablet. The information then gets automatically synced to your Shortcuts system. Manually captured information can then be added into the client database during downtime at the front desk. The client card area of Shortcuts has several ways in which you can view more information on the client. The main screen displays basic information such as the name, contact details, addresses, client message, and preferred beverage. Along the bottom are other areas that hold various levels and types of information that allows you to drill into the record when required. Another area of importance is the info area. This area is extremely important for doing marketing searches, as it lists all of the client demographic information such as occupation, birthday, gender, marital status, any clubs they belong to, who their preferred employee is, and personalized consultation. This one-page outline has vital information about the service booked for that day and previous visit details, including previous notes to follow up on. Details from the visit should then be written on the same form to be entered into Shortcuts to update the CPC for next time. There is also info listed on the CPC that can be used as talking points for upselling as well as previous retail purchases. Finally, there is a section designated to remind the service provider to recommend and rebook their next appointment. It is a lot easier to rebook at the front desk if the service provider has already instructed the client they would like to see them in 4 weeks. The reception would then enter all the details from that visit into their history to be used in the next visit. To do this, just select the appointment you have notes for and select History. The products used, any notes about the current visit, or follow-up information should be entered here so they can be accessed during the next visit. The main history view will give you all the past appointments that the client has come in for, the products purchased, and the value of the entire transaction for each visit. Shortcuts also stores client photos in the client history. This feature is invaluable when it comes to particular services where a visual reference is necessary, such as tracking improvements. You can also see a total view, giving you top-level information about the client, such as the amount the client has spent, number of clients referred, and the average spend, among other values. For technical treatments, it's also important to track details of products used in specific areas. This should also be mapped to the area of usage. To do this, just select the appropriate treatment area, select the relevant service, and place a mark to indicate the location of the client's treatment. You can also draw lines or shapes on the picture for fillers or similar services. Finally, you fill out any details for the treatment, like batch number and dosage, and choose the product used in the treatment. Any products selected in this field will be automatically deducted from your stock levels. Comprehensive client management is essential for successful client management. Contact a Shortcuts consultant for a one-on-one consultation on how Shortcuts can suit you.